Questions continue to swirl tonight around the bankruptcy of FTX cryptocurrency as government authorities begin their investigation into the company's collapse. Good evening. Thanks for joining us here on Crown 4 News at 6. I'm Noelle Bello.
And I'm Dan Thorne. Former CEO Sam Bankman-Fried, a Bay Area native, is currently being watched by authorities at the company's headquarters in the Bahamas. Crown 4's Gail Ong joining us live in studio now with the very latest. Gail?
Dan and Noelle, there are real concerns tonight that Bankman-Fried could try to flee the country to somewhere without an extradition treaty. Meantime, back here in the Bay Area, neighbors of the family left scratching their heads.
They seem super nice, really charming.
Mimi Bell, a neighbor of the brother of Sam Bankman-Fried, the former CEO of crypto trading exchange FTX. No answer at the San Francisco home Sunday. Bell says she has seen Bankman-Fried visit his brother a number of times, but says nobody has been at the home for the last 2 weeks. But Bell says she has been closely following the developments surrounding FTX.
I hope the best for everyone and that it turns out okay.
Last week, Bankman-Fried resigned after filing for bankruptcy, a move that sent shockwaves through the crypto world. At last check, Bankman-Fried is in the Bahamas at FTX's headquarters. Local police say a team of financial investigators from the Financial Crimes Investigation Branch are working closely with the Bahamas Securities Commission to investigate if any criminal misconduct occurred. Bankman-Fried is a Stanford native. No one was home when we stopped by his parents' house in Stanford. A neighbor we spoke to off camera says the family is going through a tough time and deserves privacy. The cryptocurrency trading firm is now short billions of dollars after experiencing the crypto equivalent of a bank run. Investors have been taking to social media, pleading with Bankman-Fried for their money back. This man in front of FTX's Berkeley office holding a sign asking, "Where is our money?"
It's a little bit of Enron going on, a little bit of Lehman Brothers. The collapse has been monumental in the speed of it. And this time last week, FTX was the second or third largest crypto exchange in the world by volume.
Sam Borgi, editor at Cointelegraph, has been covering crypto since 2012. As for what's next for FTX,
we wait and we see. We see what the investigation looks like. We see whether they can resolve the hack. But right now, it's not looking good. I think right now what Sam Bankman-Fried is trying to do is he's trying to raise more capital. There's been some conversations that he's going back to investors to see if they can get basically a bailout.
And Bahamas police are not the only ones looking into financial dealings of FTX. The U.S. Department of Justice and Securities and Exchange Commission are also investigating the company. In the studio, Gail Ong, Crown 4 News.